everyone, it's your counselor Laura. I wanted to share with you a resource, and this is a book that I have found for those of you who are either new to mindfulness practice or continuing on the journey to mindfulness. It is called The Healing Waterfall by Max Highstein. He is an intuitive counselor. There's a lot of elements of spirituality and visualization and guided imagery here. And there are 100 total scripts in the book, ranging in topic from visualization of success to family to even a 12-step meditation guide through the steps. So I hope that you find these useful in your journey. I have been using them in my personal mindfulness practice as well as with a group that I'm a part of. So I reached out to the author, Mr. Max Highstein, for permission to read one of the mindfulness exercises with you. So I'm very excited for you to get a real sample from the book. Again, it's Healing Waterfall by Max Highstein, and I hope that you can sit back, breathe, and relax.
Take a deep breath and let go of any tension as you feel yourself sinking into the surface you're resting on, becoming still more comfortable and relaxed. Take another slow, deep breath and release your thoughts, letting them drift far away. Take another slow, deep breath and know that in this moment, all is well. Bring your awareness into your heart center, in the center of your chest, and notice a softness there. Imagine all the energy you sent out into the world coming gently back to your heart, like the final pieces of a puzzle, making you feel whole and complete. Follow your breathing in and out as you relax and settle in more. Breathing is your connection to life and the natural world. Like all of nature, it has a rhythm. Take a few moments to do nothing more than simply follow the rhythm of your breath and relax. Imagine you're lying on a chair on the beach, your own private beach. It's a beautiful morning, and you have the whole day ahead of you to rest, relax, and just be. The temperature is perfect. The cloud cover is perfect. There's a light breeze every now and then, and all is right in your world. The ocean is calm today, and the waves are gentle. Far down the beach, you can make out someone fishing in the surf. And closer by, a flock of pelicans soar close by the water. The sand between you and the water's edge is smooth and unmarked, offering only a few shells and bits of seaweed. You're watching the water come thinning out towards you, recede, and then come back again. Take a few moments to enjoy being here. Watch the waves lap the shore and follow your breathing. As you continue to enjoy your beautiful beach, find yourself settling in deeper, becoming one with this scene. It's almost as if the air, the water, and the sand were part of your own soul, on display for you to observe. Dolphins swim by, affirming your connection to this setting and to all life. Take some time to settle down further. Appreciate this time of reflection and follow your breathing. The peace and quiet carries you still deeper within, and the beach fades into you, part of you, as you focus softly on the gentle rhythm of your breath. It synchronizes with the ocean waves as you breathe in and out until you and the sea are one. Continue to let your breathing carry you inward as you consider this question. What do I want? Sit with this question for some time without trying to analyze or think. Enjoy the waves and allow any answers to come up from within it. No need to strain or analyze. Take your time to simply let it be as you ask, what do I want? And allow yourself to know whatever you need to know. What do I want? It will soon be time to bring this inner journey to a close. But first, take a moment to thank yourself for this gift. Bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Take your time, and when you're ready, open your eyes and feel awake, alert, and refreshed. While it's still fresh in your mind, take time to write down anything you may have heard, felt, or learned in this exercise.
Hi, it's your counselor, Laura. I hope you enjoyed this mindfulness exercise. Again, the link to the book is below. And don't forget to click like or subscribe if you're interested in hearing about more fantastic resources for your journey. Thanks and take care.